Before we proceed, dear friends, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Now we will observe or see next example. Prove that cos A divided by 1 minus sin A is equals to 1 plus tan A upon 2 divided by 1 minus tan A upon 2. LHS equal to cos A divided by 1 minus sin A. According to half angle formulae, cos A is equals to 1 minus tan square A upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2. Similarly, sin A is equals to 2 tan A upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2. Substitute these two values. We get 1 minus tan square A upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2 whole divided by 1 minus 2 tan A upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2. In the denominator, LCM is 1 plus tan square A upon 2. Numerator as it is 1 minus tan square A upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2 minus 2 tan A upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A upon 2. Denominator of both numerator and denominator term is same, then cancel. Then remaining term 1 minus tan square A upon 2 whole divided by adjust the term tan square A upon 2 minus 2 tan A upon 2 plus 1. Using formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b and a plus b into a plus b. Then a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b bracket square. Then first numerator part 1 minus tan A upon 2 1 plus tan A upon 2 whole divided by, in the denominator use this formula. A means tan A upon 2, B means 1 minus 1 bracket square. Common outside minus sign, so 1 minus tan A upon 2 1 plus tan A upon 2 divided by minus 1 minus tan A upon 2 bracket square is equals to 1 minus tan A upon 2 1 plus tan A upon 2 whole divided by minus square plus 1 minus tan A upon 2 bracket square. Numerator term 1 minus tan A upon 2 and denominator term square. So one term of the from denominator get cancelled and the remaining value is 1 plus tan A upon 2. divided by 1 minus tan A upon 2 is equals to RHS. Now we observe another example. If cos A is equals to 4 upon 5 and cos B is equals to 3 upon 5, where A and B are positive acute angle, find cos A minus B upon 2, comma sin A plus B upon 2. Solution. We know that half angle formula or multiple angle formula, cos A is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A upon 2 is equals to 2 cos square A upon 2 minus 1. According to these two formulae, we can determine cos A upon 2 and sin A upon 2. Cos A upon 2 is equals to root. Adjust this formula. Cos A is equals to 2 cos square A upon 2 minus 1. 1 plus cos A divided by 2. Similarly, adjust cos A is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A upon 2 and determine sin A upon 2. 1 minus cos A upon 2. Substitute value of cos A. Cos A is 4 upon 5. Root 1 plus 4 upon 5 divided by 2. Root 1 minus 4 upon 5 divided by 2. Root 5 plus 4. LCM is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 divided by 10. 5 LCM is 5. 5 minus 4. Root 1 divided by 10 is equals to 3 divided by root 10. 1 divided by root 10. Similarly, determine sin sin B upon 2 and cos B upon sin A upon B upon 2 is equals to root 1 minus cos B upon 2. Cos B upon 2 is equals to root 1 plus cos B upon 2. Substitute value of cos B. Cos B is 3 upon 5, which is given. Root 1 minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2 is equals to root 1 plus 3 upon 5 divided by 2 is equals to 5 minus 1. LCM for the numerator is 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 divided by 10 is equals to 5. LCM is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Root 8 divided by 10. 2 divided by 5, 4. 2. 4 divided by 5 is equals to 1 upon root 5 is equals to 2 divided by root 5. value of sin b upon 2 cos b upon 2. Then determine cos a minus b upon 2 is equals to cos a upon 2 cos b upon 2 plus sin a upon 2 sin b upon 2. The value of cos a upon 2 is 3 by root 10. Cos b upon 2, the value of cos b upon 2 upon root 5 plus sin a upon 2 1 upon root 10 and sin b upon 2 1 upon root 5. Then is equals to multiplication of these two terms, 3 2s are 6 divided by root 10 into 5. Root a into root b is equals to root a into b. Using this basic formula, here plus 1 divided by root 10 into 5, 6 divided by root 50 plus 1 divided by root 50. 6 plus 1, denominator is same for both these two terms. Therefore, addition of the numerator 7 divided by root 50 is the final result of example. Is prove that cos a minus cos b bracket square plus into bracket sin a minus sin b bracket square is equals to 4 sin square a minus b upon 2 LHS cos a minus cos b bracket square plus sin a minus sin b bracket square. Using formula a minus b bracket square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, we get cos square a minus 2 cos a cos b plus cos square b. Similarly, for second term, plus sin square a minus 2 sin a sin b plus sin square b. We, according to fundamental formulae, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square a plus sin square a 1 minus 2 common outside into bracket cos a cos b plus minus sign taken common, so plus sin a sin b plus cos square b plus sin square b 1 1 plus 1 2 2 minus 2 cos a cos b plus sin a sin b according to allied angle cos a minus b. Taking 2 common outside, 2 into bracket 1 minus cos a minus b. According to submultiple angle, we know that 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta upon 2. Theta is a minus b is equals to 2 into 2 sin square a minus b divided by 2. 2 into 2 4 4 sin square a minus b divided by 2 is the final result known as RHS. Hello friends, if you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my video, you can send it on my email ID. Have a